If you're searching for sound-absorbing foam panels, look no further. These panels are incredibly easy to install. After unpacking, just let them sit out to regain their shape from vacuum sealing. They're lightweight and easy to cut, making it simple to cover any wall completely. The design is both simple and elegant, featuring various lengths of divots that enhance sound absorption. The panels are 12 by 12 by 2 inches, and these triangular pieces are 4 by 4 by 12 inches, and they're great for corners. These are perfect for a recording studio or a gaming room. These panels have impressed us with their ability to absorb sound. Our room used to be an echo chamber, but now the panels absorb all that sound, eliminating issues from echoes during streaming and phone calls.